Alright boys, Skookum here. I'm gonna do the Walmart challenge on a LifeTime Daylite kayak. The question is, can you fish off it? I say yes. Let's get it. I got about 2 hours to fish out here, just got off work. So let's slay it. Alright boys, day 3 of the kayak challenge. I say day 3 is because day 1 and 2 I didn't have that much time to complete. But anyway, so I've had time to kind of acclimate to this kayak, and I mean, so far this kayak is great. The only downside is, if you're trying to go with people, this is a one-person kayak. There's no question about it. 2, there's not really a lot of space. I mean, I got my gear back there. I'm fishing with a tiny little pole today because it's excellent out of this kayak. You don't have to flick it that hard or that much range of motion to really get it out in the water. Anyway, day 1, my camera died because I went for an underwater shot. Day 2, I caught a fish. It was great. To put it to the test, we need to catch a fish. So let's do that. Yay! Got one, boys. Wow. Pretty good size, right through the eye. I'll take it. So, right at the end of the day, the challenge proved well. I caught me a fish. It feels tiny. He is. Dang it. Beautiful little guy though. I'm actually just here for more footage and to be out on this beautiful lake. This kayak is perfect for the price, and it does exactly what I want it to do, and that's get me to new spots that everyone's not at, and places I've never been. So anyway, I'm gonna get deeper in this lake and try and get some more fish. Yay! And coming up on a super high speed shore landing. Ahoy. Finally, dude, I got out to take a pee and thought I could just throw a line out real quick and got him. This spot is fire right now. What a beautiful fish, man. Another one. Sweet. It's a good looking fish. I stopped right there to pee, man, and haven't got a bite all day. Thought it was too cold, but second one down. Number 3, man, this spot is fire. All right, man. All right, boys, so time to call it a day before my wife sends out the search party. Anyway, Skookum's conclusion is yes, you can fish out of the LifeTime Daylite. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, today I floated around out there for about 3 hours trying to troll around, use different lures, worms, nothing. And then as you saw when I stopped to take a pee on the shore, I threw out some power bait and knocked him dead. Yesterday, however, or the last day I went fishing out with this, I did nail 2 of them right off the boat. So I mean, whether you need to get across the lake to get to a good spot, this will get you there, or if you want to flick some rooster tails and some lures off the side, it works as well. So I mean, all in all, it's a great buy. I'm totally stoked I have it. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and just stay tuned for more fishing. Actually, the next fishing episode, excuse me, it's freezing out here. The next episode is going to be bass fishing, so stay tuned for that. All right, peace and love, y'all.